Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Dexter. So we're here inside the Mactan International Airport, and guess what? We're going to Hong Kong. Guys, I'm so early here. My flight is around 3 p.m. and it's only 12 in the afternoon. So I went to the counter or the area of Cebu Pacific for check-in, but they're not yet available, maybe like in 30 minutes. So I'm still here waiting inside the airport. Naghahanap ako ng mauupuan. So I'm looking for a place where I can sit down and relax. So here's the currency. I'm still thinking if I'll change my money here or sa Hong Kong na. But we'll see. So see you later. So yun guys, nag-open na yung counter check-in ng Hong Kong. So I'm waiting for my turn. So after here is immigration. So kinakabahan ako. I'm so nervous, at the same time excited. I'm not sure. So I went here sa travel tax area because I need to pay the travel tax first before they give my boarding pass. So I have to pay travel tax first before they give my boarding pass. So I'm not sure how much is the travel tax now, but we'll see. I'll update you later.
Please proceed to gate 122A once again.
Finally guys, I have my boarding pass now, and I already paid the travel tax, which cost me 1,620. So I'm now about to enter the immigration. Kinakabahan ko guys. I'm so nervous. I'm not sure why, but I will stay confident. So I will update you later. So see you later. Actually guys, I'm done with the immigration. So right now I'm already here. I already checked in and will board around 2:45 p.m. and it's 2 p.m. It's 2 p.m. now. It's 2 p.m. now, so 45 minutes from now. So yeah. So I'm still here guys, waiting for check-in. Waiting for boarding. So, yan. Marami kang mauupuan dito. There's a lot of restaurants here, tables, chairs where you can sit and eat. But, yeah, the foods here are kind of expensive. So, I purchased this one. C2, it's cost 100 pesos. Imagine, this is only 30 pesos in this supermarket outside airport. So I suggest if you're going to travel, bring your tumbler or bring a bottle, because there's a free water here where you can drink, so where you can refill. So because the water is 80 pesos, so kind of expensive here, so I suggest you bring a tumbler or water with you. So going back to the immigration process, it took me like 30 to an hour because the immigration officer has a lot of questions because I was not prepared. I didn't print any documents like certificate of employment, the the payslips. So it took me time because I need to access online first and provide them to the immigration officer. So I wasn't prepared. I thought it will be going smooth, but it didn't. So that's why, yeah, it took me time there. So but anyway, it was successful. I got approved and I'm here now waiting for boarding. Hi guys, we're now boarding. So we're now about to board.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled.
Hi guys, we're here now inside at the plane. We're now boarding.
Ladies and gentlemen,
So we're now on board and waiting to fly. So we're waiting for other passengers. So at exactly 3:15, then we'll fly. So marami pang hintay. But anyway, I'm in 3 hours from now. So I'll arrive in Hong Kong at 6:25. So 3:15, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in 3 hours, almost 3 hours from now, we'll arrive in Hong Kong. So yeah. So I'm so excited. So I'll see you later.
机正在降落，机长已打开系好安全带信号灯。现在，请您确保遮阳板始终打开。
Hi guys, we just arrived here in Hong Kong. We just landed. It's around 6 in the evening already. So, tingnan nyo yung escalator nila. Look at their escalator. Straight lang siya. Dito kami guys sa immigration. Look at the pillar. Look at the line here. We're here in the immigration. We're now here, Hong Kong Tourism Board. We're claiming the $100 goodies voucher. So it's convertible to, like, you can use that like for shopping, eating sa restaurant. So yeah. So it's $100 voucher free. So dito na kami nagka-claim. We're claiming our octopus card. So may nakilala akong bagong kaibigan from Philippines.
Hello.
Hi.
From Manila.
From Manila. So sila yung tumulong sa akin. Di ko alam kung anong gagawin ko if mag-isa lang ako. Maliligaw siguro ako.
Okay na sim.
Ikaw yung model. So we're here already outside the airport waiting for the bus. So meet my new friends from Manila. We have the same place to stay. We have the same hotel. So look at the bus to decker of Hong Kong. So we have this octopus card. This is our 600 plus. I booked this in Klook, and this is preloaded of $50. Finally, I'm here now inside the bus. So I'm using this one octopus card. So once you get off from the airport, you can ride a bus and it will cost you $34. I'm here now inside the bus. So yeah, the double-decker bus of Hong Kong. So finally, nakasakay na tayo dito sa bus. So the fare is 34 Hong Kong dollars. And I'm using this octopus card. So I booked this octopus card in Klook app and I paid 600 pesos plus, and then I claimed this one inside the airport. You can claim there, so you just have to look for the signage of octopus counter, so you can have this. This is preloaded of $50. Hi guys, we're now here in Chimchachui Station. So magpapapalit kami ng